What is up, Harrys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting up my Christmas decorations. Like, I don't even know why I waited so late. Like, how in the world did other people beat me to putting up Christmas decorations? I don't know. And I was going to put up the Christmas decorations, but then a friend of mine, she was like, no, wait till after Thanksgiving. So I still have like fall decorations up, and I'm like, you know what? I don't want fall decorations up anymore. So I have like fall decorations and I have Christmas decorations up right now. So I'm just going to be getting rid of all the fall stuff and putting up all the Christmas decorations. I'm so excited because Christmas is like my favorite time of the year. I know it's like bittersweet because then that means the year is ended and you like older and the whole year gone. and you didn't get done what you're supposed to get done. But that's okay because you have a whole nother year to do it again. I'm going to be showing you guys like my ideas for this holiday and what I'm going to be putting up. So let me turn the camera. Y'all already saw these things. I have them in the Amazon haul. These flowers and these placemats. I also bought these candles from Bath & Body. This one I had for about 2 years and I really love it. And then this one is new. I haven't used it as yet. And then these are old. I have to just wipe them down a little bit, but this is some Christmas little decorations that I normally put up. This is when I used to have braces. But this is like a Christmas photo that I normally put up. And this one is another decoration that I have to wipe down. They are dusty. And I got bags and bags of decorations that I have to sort through. I'm thinking silver and red this year. Yeah, so I already have like my string lights and stuff. And as you can see, this is my fall decoration still up. Like, why do I still have fall decorations? So I'm pretty much going to be packing away my fall candle that I love so much, and my kitchen towels and all these little orange flowers, and I'm going to be replacing them with the red. Let me show you the next set of fall stuff that I have. This is the next set of fall decorations that I have. These pillows, they were cute, but yeah, I'm gonna be taking them down and washing those fall decorations that I have. So I'm going to be taking those down. Also, fall in love with our family picture. That's it. added some lights to the garland, so they'll be all nice and lit. Oh, I still have the Thanksgiving stuff. I have to put them on.